Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. In today's video, I'm going to use the sprayer of the perfume bottle into flower. And I use the same, showed this the same in the previous video. I did the same using the sprayer. I made a flower out of it. I applied the same technique. So I made all 5 flowers so instead to save our time in 5 different colors, and I'm going to make it a bouquet and using the flower vase that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to decorate in this flower vase. So the things that I did was like in this plastic tube of the sprayer, I just inserted the floral wire. This is also from Dollar Tree, and this was lying in the house from a long time. So this will be the to give the length of the flower stem, and I'm also going to cover the stem with the floral tape. This is also from Dollar Tree. So let's start working. So while we are gone, I just to save time, I just covered the stem with the floral tape. So I'll also put a pearl on top in the center of the flower. Like that. So I'm going to make a bouquet like this and organize that in a flower vase. And by the way, the flower vase is also from Dollar Tree. So this is how I'm going to decorate. So we didn't waste even the sprayer of the perfume bottle. We converted that into a flower. So this is one of the projects that I wanted to show. I'm very happy how it turned out. So the another perfume bottle that I have is I'm going to use this one of the flower perfume bottle and convert that into a decor piece. So what I did was the things that I needed were, for this one is of course the perfume bottle, and I had this pearl adhesive I got from Michael's long time back, and using this is also from Dollar Tree. I just punched the leftover of this foam sheet and I just made like a tiny flowers, and I'm going to stick like that, and I'm going to decorate this perfume bottle into home decor. So yeah, let's see how it turns out. So there you have it. So I completed sticking the pearl trim, and I gave, basically this is to cover the letters on the perfume bottle. So I just, it's already got like nice flower shape to it, and also the lid was like nice flower on top. So I thought like, this is beautiful in itself, so I just want to enhance its beauty by sticking some pearls and glitter pieces and some gems. So this is, as I told, like the glitter that I got from punching through this one, the punching machine. So I got this like nice sun, small sun like a symbol. So, and also I had this silver part of the sprayer. I just attached the pearl adhesive, and also I had this flower kind of a gem. It's also from Dollar Tree, and I attached a pearl to cover the whole of it. So yeah, I think I liked how it turned out. So I'm very happy with the both of the projects. So I enjoyed working with this project, making this project, not throwing this perfume bottle away, and including the sprayers I used. So I'm very happy that how it turned out for both of them, and I hope you also enjoy watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my videos, please subscribe, like and share, and also please click on the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.